In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can equip the best slimes here in Slime RNG on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what you want to go ahead and do is open up your backpack or your inventory down here. Select this. It's going to pull up a page that looks like this, and make sure you're on the slime category on this left-hand sidebar. This is the slime section right here. Now, you're going to see all of your slimes with their stats, like their health on here. You're going to see how many exactly you have of them. I have a lot of some of these guys that just aren't that great, right? For example, what you're going to do if you want to equip the best is this equip best tab up at the very top. Just select that whenever you have the ability to, and you can go ahead and just auto equip the very best in the entire game. This will allow you to keep your slimes at peak performance, and on top of that, it also allows you to go ahead and just auto equip them as well. So it really is up to you which slimes you keep on, but I would keep the best just because it speeds up the entire process of playing this game and allows you to grind a lot farther, because you're eventually going to get to a point where you're kind of just stuck in the progression because you need a lot more coins, and the best way to get those coins is just by taking out guys quickly. But that's the full process. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace. That is not the slime I wanted. You gotta be kidding me.